Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I hope you all had a good weekend. We actually had a long weekend here in South Africa, so the family and I went away and yeah, had a nice time at the beach. Hope you guys had a good one as well. Just going to be doing a very quick pour today. I've already mixed all the paints. I'm going to be doing a flip cup. The colors I'm using today: emerald green, sort of dark bluey grey, gold, turquoise, and a nice cadmium yellow. So I've actually put the white down first by mistake because I realized I still have to flip the cup, and so this could get messy. That's the colors that I've got going at the moment. Oops, got a little bit of spillage there. Let's see if we can do this. There we go. Let's get that out there. Give my hand a bit of a wipe. Made the paints quite runny today because I wanted to try and see if I could get some cells going. I've put a little bit of silicone into each color, so I'm hopeful that we're going to get some cell action. Put some white around here. There we go. Right, I'm going to give these just a few minutes to settle. And then let's see, I'm not sure about these color combinations. I just sort of grab them randomly and hopefully they all work together. So let's see what we're doing here. There we go. A lot of green in there, so I'm not sure how it's actually all going to look at the end. Clean my hands here. Got the green all over them. Right, let's give this a little flame before we start tilting. Get rid of those bubbles and see if we can get some cells to come up. I'm not really sure whether the silicone that I'm using is the right one. I know some people use the treadmill silicone. I haven't managed to find that here in South Africa, but this is a type of silicone that I got from the art store that is supposedly made for acrylic pouring. So, oh, there are some cells coming up there. I wonder if I should just leave them for a little bit to develop. Let me do one more flame. Okay. I think that's the problem, is sort of flame it and then immediately tilt it instead of just letting it develop into the bigger cells before tilting it. There we go, yeah, that's starting to look nice. Let's see how it goes. Got some nice cells sort of developing here. So yeah, let's see what happens, guys. We've certainly got a lot of paint on here, so we shouldn't worry about covering the canvas. We should have plenty there. Just going to go back to there, back to the middle. As I said, it's very green. Green, maybe not my favorite color out of all the colors, but there's some yellow and gold and some blue in there, so hopefully that's going to sort of show through a little bit as well. Let's have a look here. I'm going to try and keep those cells right there. There we go. Let's get it going down here. go. I think that's pretty much covered it all up. There we go. Some nice coloured cells coming through here with the blues. I'm sure the gold will probably rise up as well as we go as it starts to dry. But yeah, that's not bad at all. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I see quite a few of you are watching my videos, but you're not subscribing. So please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this with your friends. And yeah, I'm going to give you a close-up now. Have a good week. I'll be doing some more paintings this week. We've got a lot of rain forecast here for Cape Town, so I'll be inside and painting up a storm. So keep your eye open for any new videos. Till then, see you next time. Cheers.